Hello and welcome to the session. Business Strategy LO4. Develop a strategic management plan in an organization informed by models, theories, and concepts to achieve competitive advantage in a given market sector. Are you ready to explore strategic management planning? This video outlines a strategic management plan to achieve competitive advantage. Discover how models and theories guide organizations to success. Strategic management involves formulating, implementing, and evaluating strategies. It's about aligning internal capabilities with external opportunities. Effective strategic management ensures long-term success. It uses models like Porter's strategies and the resource-based view. These frameworks guide organizations in achieving a competitive edge. Pestle analysis examines macro-environmental factors. It includes political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental aspects. Porter's 5 forces assess industry competition. It considers threats of new entrants and substitutes, and bargaining powers. These analyses guide strategic planning in dynamic markets. SWOT analysis identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The resource-based view focuses on leveraging unique resources. These tools help in understanding internal capabilities. They guide strategic decisions and competitive positioning. Organizations use them to align resources with strategic goals. Strategic objectives should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. They align with the organization's strategic goals. Clear objectives guide the execution of strategies. They ensure focus and direction in strategic planning. Examples include market share growth and cost reduction. Implementation involves executing strategies effectively. It requires resource allocation and management. Monitoring uses indicators to assess progress. Regular reviews ensure alignment with objectives. Adjustments are made based on performance data and market trends. The strategic management process includes analysis, formulation, implementation, and evaluation. It starts with assessing internal and external environments. Strategies are developed and executed based on this analysis. Performance is measured and strategies are adjusted as needed. This process ensures strategic alignment and competitiveness. Strategic planning includes vision and mission statements. It sets goals and objectives aligned with the vision. Environmental analysis informs strategy formulation. Implementation plans outline execution and resource allocation. Evaluation and control monitor performance and guide adjustments. The Business Canvas model is a strategic tool. It visualizes and assesses business models. It includes customer segments, value propositions, and channels. It outlines key resources and activities. Organizations use it to innovate and align business components. Roadmaps outline steps to achieve long-term objectives. They provide a visual path for strategic initiatives. Components include goals, milestones, and timelines. They help align resources and efforts with strategic goals. Regular updates ensure responsiveness to market changes. Strategic choices ensure alignment with objectives. They involve selecting strategies that fit the corporate agenda. Frameworks guide these decisions, ensuring sustainability. Real-world examples illustrate effective strategic alignment. This approach drives long-term success and competitiveness. Understanding strategic models is crucial for strategy development. Porter's strategies and the Ansoff matrix are key frameworks. They guide organizations in gaining competitive advantage. Each model offers unique insights into strategic positioning. Real-world examples demonstrate their application and benefits. Porter's generic strategies include cost leadership, differentiation, and focus. They provide paths to competitive advantage. Organizations choose strategies based on their strengths. Real-world examples like Walmart and Apple illustrate their application. These strategies guide firms in achieving market success. A hybrid strategy combines differentiation with low-cost pricing. It balances unique value with competitive pricing. IKEA exemplifies this approach with its stylish, affordable furniture. The strategy appeals to a broad market with a strong value proposition. Organizations must ensure cost reductions do not compromise value. Bowman's strategy clock extends Porter's strategies. It illustrates the relationship between price and perceived value. 8 strategic positions guide market positioning. Starbucks uses differentiation for high value at premium prices. Continuous assessment ensures alignment with consumer perceptions. Ansop's matrix identifies growth strategies through diversification. It explores market and product dimensions. Strategies include market penetration and development. Amazon's diversification into cloud computing exemplifies this. Evaluating risks and benefits ensures strategic alignment. Integration strategies expand operations vertically or horizontally. Vertical integration controls more of the supply chain. Horizontal integration involves merging with competitors. Apple's vertical integration enhances quality control. Disney's horizontal integration expands its media portfolio. Mergers and acquisitions drive strategic growth. They combine resources and capabilities for synergy. Facebook's acquisition of Instagram expanded its social media reach. Evaluating strategic fit ensures successful integration. Manda strategies enhance competitive advantage and market presence. Tesla's strategic plan focuses on technological innovation and market expansion. It leverages strengths and addresses weaknesses. The plan includes objectives for operational efficiency and brand loyalty. Monitoring ensures alignment with strategic goals. Tesla aims to enhance its market position in the EV sector. Tesla's initiatives focus on R&D investment and market entry. It aims to enhance technological leadership and expand globally. Operational efficiency and customer engagement are key priorities. The plan outlines short, medium, and long-term actions. Regular reviews ensure responsiveness to market changes. Monitoring uses KPIs to assess strategic progress. Regular reviews guide adjustments based on performance data. Tesla's KPIs include technological advancements and market share growth. Operational efficiency and customer satisfaction are also measured. This ensures alignment with strategic objectives and market trends. In conclusion, developing a strategic management plan informed by relevant models, theories, and concepts is essential for achieving competitive advantage within a given market sector. By integrating strategic frameworks with organizational objectives, resources, and market conditions, organizations can create clear, structured, and actionable plans. A well-developed strategic management plan supports informed decision-making, effective resource allocation, and long-term sustainability. This strategic approach enables organizations to compete effectively, adapt to change, and achieve sustained success in dynamic market environments. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.